1,
Download or make something.
2,
In Sims 4 Studio, create 3D mesh. Debug. Look up fork. Grab one. Export mesh. Append or import new model. Make it fit. Select original. Select yours. Transfer weights. Delete original mesh verts. Select yours. Select original. Join them. Save. Re-import on all LODs.
3,
Warehouse. Object definition. Copy ID. Extract fork. Object tuning. Rename tuning. Copy tuning. Object definition. Paste. Instance decimal. Copy ID. In another Sims 4 Studio, open the slice or single plate of your food to learn how to make custom food.
Find that in the description.
Warehouse. Object tuning. If you have no object tuning, extract 14917. Line 29. Paste instance decimal. Done! It's rather easy now that we know how it's done. Huge thanks to Lenaid and XuanZi-Sims for their guidance with this one. Check them out below.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.